Basically, my hometown is in Punjab. I am
Acha.
from Punjab, but here I work in Gurgaon and I stay in Bharatinagar.
Okay. Okay. So let's go. देखो भाग तो बहुत सारे लोग रहे हैं यहाँ पे, बट अभी किसी का वर्कआउट ऐसे डिस्टर्ब नहीं करते. कोई आराम से बैठा होगा ना, उससे बात करेंगे. ओके ग्रेट. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन. यू आर द फर्स्ट गाय.
Okay.
सो थैंक यू सो मच.
Welcome.
तो पहला बंदा तो मिल गया. सो लेट्स रिकॉर्ड यू एंड आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस. यार थोड़ा चल ले तो फिर
Yeah,
बेटर
sure.
है. ओके सो व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Pulkit,
ओके एंड योर एज?
27.
27.
Yeah.
And how long you've been working out?
I have been working since past 5 years, 5.5 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's like running or gym या क्या? Yoga or what?
I
What?
just run.
You just run.
Yeah, I run for approx 10 to 12 kilometers on daily basis.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you preparing for some kind of a marathon
No,
or
I'm
something?
not preparing for marathon. It's just for my health. Actually, 3-4 years ago, I consulted a neurologist
Huh.
regarding some issues, and he suggested me to run on daily basis.
Huh.
Like he suggested me to run for 5 to 6 kilometers, but now I have reached the level of 10 to 12 kilometers.
Okay, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's too much. Like you do it in the evening only.
Sometime in the morning, sometime in the evening. Like today, I had my Toastmaster classes club. I have been member of club Toastmaster, which is for public speaking.
Okay.
So I had my club today. So today I'm running in the evening. And if I have my office, like 3 days I'm working from office, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So on the same days I work out in evening.
Okay.
But in general, when I'm free, I used to come in the morning.
Okay. And daily जैसे generally अगर हम calculate करें तो how many steps do you take? एक कितने दिन steps हो जाते हैं approximately?
15,000.
15,000.
Yeah.
That's by running only.
Yeah, they're not by running, like 2-3,000 by in general and 12 to 14,000 by running.
Okay. That's your whole day.
Yeah.
So you follow a schedule or something कि सुबह इतने बजे उठना है, wake up at this time, yeah, something like that.
I generally wake up at 6. So if it is my office, then my cab came at 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
So I just get ready, eat some breakfast, and went for my office. But if I don't have my office,
Yeah.
then I came for running.
Okay. And what about the diet? What do you follow?
Like I don't have any specific diet. I avoid fast food and like unhealthy food such as mainly pizza, burger. I don't like that. So I eat fruits. Like in breakfast and lunch, it's provided by our office and it's very healthy.
Okay.
And for dinner, I prefer either I have milk. Like there are some things which I used to take daily.
Can you hold my phone?
Yeah.
It is better you can record here.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, there are some things which I used to have on daily basis. For an example, juice.
Okay.
That too without sugar and salt.
Okay.
Then then naril pani,
Okay.
and yeah, that's it. And I also have some that called amla,
Okay.
raw amla.
Okay. Or you're a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian?
I'm a non-vegetarian.
So how much do you eat like every day? Eggs or chicken? Or
I'm
maybe
not-
let's say how much protein do you take in a day?
Like
Do you
I
calculate?
don't count. I don't
No, no.
calculate protein. But like once a week or twice a week, I eat non-vegetarian.
Okay. That's chicken.
Boiled chicken or sometimes mutton. I order mutton as well from market.
Okay. And what about eggs? Daily eggs?
Not daily, not in summer, but in winter, yeah. Like 3-4 eggs in winter, but not in summer.
But then how do you complete your protein?
Like by bananas and all.
But banana doesn't have protein, na?
So I have also like fruits as well,
Okay.
and yeah, that's it. Milk, yeah, I consume half kg milk daily basis.
Okay. Half kg, that's 500 ml.
Yeah, 500 ml.
Okay. But still, I think you need more protein as far as your diet is concerned, your workout is concerned.
But I'm fit, like my weight is around, it's always around 68, 69, 70, so it's maintained.
Okay. So that's not the area. Well, you have no idea कि कितना protein लेना है.
Yeah.
You just eat whatever
Yeah,
is
I
healthy
just
and good.
eat, हाँ.
Okay, great. And what is the sleep thing? Like how much do you sleep every day?
6 hours, 6 and half an hour.
Acha.
Like I go to bed at 12 around 11:30 or 12 and go to bed 6.
Okay. And alcohol or smoke
No,
or
I
anything?
never smoked. I never had alcohol, beer or anything like
Nothing.
Nothing.
यार
Never.
corporate में रहने के बाद भी ये सब नहीं
Never
करते.
ever. I just say no.
That's like strange, na? But
It's
people
not
around you
strange.
must be taking.
Yeah, mostly like 99% of people around me, they drink alcohol. But I don't. They like parties and all those clubbing stuff, but I don't like parties. I don't like clubbing. I don't
Okay.
like alcohol, and yeah, that's it from
But
my.
you have never tried.
I never tried.
Okay,
Never.
that's great. So you have no plans because you're into fitness.
I'm not into fitness, but it's my like hobby or passion now. To I had an issue for anxiety something.
Okay.
So for that reason, I am into running.
Okay.
Like I'm not a fitness freak. I have never went to gym. But yeah, running.
Can we
is
cross there? I
Yeah,
think it's
sure.
a better area. यहाँ पे ना traffic बहुत है. Okay. So, but do you go to the gym every day?
something- No, I've never been to gym.
अच्छा, never been to gym.
Never been to gym.
Why not gym?
Just because when I cleared my 12th standard, so after clearing plus 2, most of the students have their instinct to went to gym and make some body. And I also did that, but I failed. I went to gym for 15 days. I paid for 3 months. And after that, I was like, Pulkit, no, gym is not something your area of interest, so just leave it.
Okay.
And I don't like bulky bodies or muscles. I'm running just because I want to be fit
Okay.
and lean.
So that's basically more, as far as your running is concerned, it's more about stamina or
Yeah,
strength.
it's more about stamina.
Stamina. So you're building
Yeah.
your stamina.
Yeah.
It's just general health.
Yeah, general
It has
health.
nothing to do with your
Nothing
profession
to do,
or
nothing
anything.
to do with profession or yeah.
And what are you doing right now? Abhi, you're working.
Yeah, I'm working.
Okay. And in which company?
IHG, Intercontinental Hotels Group. I work in their corporate
Okay.
and my work is not related to hotel. My work is related to finance. So basically, my area is financial planning and analysis.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. And what about your family? Like your parents? Like they're into fitness or
No, my parents are like my father.
they walk? Like they
My
do it?
father walk. My
Okay.
father steps are even more than me. His steps are also like 15,000. He had a walk 1 hour in the morning and 1 hour in the evening.
Okay.
So yeah, but like other than that, they are not fitness or freak or something like that.
Okay. And what about your colleagues, people around you, your same age? Are they into fitness or
No.
they are into partying or they are?
Mostly are into partying and all those stuff.
So let's say if you know 10 friends,
Yeah.
how many are into fitness and how many party?
Like some are into gym, but most of them are into party. And if I talk about running, I don't think I have any friend who is into running like me.
Okay.
Yeah.
People are not interested in fitness.
Run- Fitness people nowadays people think fitness is about going to gym and like pushing weights and all those stuff, but not running.
Okay. But why do you think running is better than this workout? Like running is better than gym.
If we go to gym, we must take some supplements like protein, and then there is other supplements which are harmful for our health as well. I'm not 100% sure about that, but still I have learned that there are some supplements which are not good for our health. But when we are running, we don't require that kind of supplement. We don't have to make our body bulky body. So yeah, that's it.
Okay. So that's what. How did you get this knowledge from? Like where did you get this knowledge from? From YouTube,
Initially,
Instagram, or
my
what?
neurologist suggested me, as I stated earlier, to run just because I was like not well mentally. So he said, just run and eat 2-3 bananas a day, and yeah, this sort of thing, and you will be much better. And I'm feeling better.
Okay. And that's because you started running or you started working out. That's the reason why.
Just because when we complete a 10 kilometers, so I feel like there's a lot of dopamine releases from our brain, which actually makes us happy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you consulted a doctor,
Yeah,
and
I
the
consulted
doctor
a
suggested you to run.
Yeah, a
But
doctor suggested
Can you just hold for a moment?
Yeah.
But why did not the doctor suggest you for the gym or like, maybe? But he said go and run.
He said run. Running is best for anxiety and stress, depression management.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's why you started. What about cycling or any other yoga or anything like that?
I don't do yoga or cycling.
Okay. So you love running only,
I love only running.
and you have benefits.
Yeah, I have.
Kitna ho gaya?
benefits.
It's been about 5-7 years.
It's about 4-5 years. Yeah.
4-5 years.
Yes.
All right. And what is the like weight loss experience you had?
Like weight loss is not my key area of interest, just because earlier as well I was 65 to 70, even now I am 65 to 70 between.
Okay.
So I never required some sort of weight loss.
Okay. And what about a tip to people who don't work out, who don't run, who don't go to the gym, who don't do anything?
See, workout is necessity, be it any kind of workout, gym or running or cycling, it depends upon your interest, but workout is necessity just because like today's world we are in very much hustle. We go to office, there is some sorts of office politics in our office, then we came to home, there are always some stress in our home as well, some issues either related to marriage or after marriage related to kids or financial problems. So to avoid this all kind of problem, you required at least 1 hour for yourself, so that to maintain yourself healthy. So it is about yourself, not for others. We don't want to show others like we are fit or we are like have huge body, but it is for our mental peace and our physical fitness.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a good tip, because most of the people, they go to the gym
Yeah.
to basically build a body to impress
To show
others.
others, exactly.
Yeah, to show off.
Yeah, it's not about showing off.
Perfect. And what is the tip you will give to the younger guys, younger people who
Yeah.
want to,
Okay.
kind of, who are not doing any exercise, want to start an exercise? What is one tip you can give?
See,
Start running.
one thing is initially, if I talk about my initial phase, it was very difficult for me to run. Even in 1 kilo, I started with 1 kilometer of running.
Okay.
In that 1 kilometer, I took pauses, I guess around 8 to 10 times. I sit on this footpath and all those things. It was very difficult for me. Many times I thought, okay, leave it, Pulkit, it's not your kind of thing. But
Okay.
still, when we continue it for 15 days to 30 days, it become a habit. And then eventually we increase it like from 1 kilometer to 2 kilometers to 3 kilometers to 4 kilometers. And we started liking it. Just because when dopamine released from our brain, it is the best feeling.
Okay.
That I can say for sure.
So
So stop
takeaway-
scrolling reels and
perfect.
come to the open area and enjoy life.
One takeaway from you that everybody is going to get is start working out, start running.
Yeah. Initially you will find it difficult, but eventually it will be your habit.
Okay, great. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. And I will, like, let's say I have one last question. Very
Okay.
important. What do you think about life?
Life, it's a very intellectual question, but life is about experiencing. It's not about winning or lose. It's not about whether we have to obtain a lots of wealth and things. See, all those things are temporary. There's nothing is permanent. Even the kings used to, the descendants of king used to. I have seen many rickshaw who are pulling rickshaws in which is that area? What is that area? Near about Chandni Chowk, where they are says that we are the descendants of Mughals. So
Acha.
yeah, exactly. And they used to pull rickshaw, or some are with these sorts of things. Some are laborers and say like that things. So it's about experience of things. Don't stress too much. Don't worry too much. Just do it. And yeah, that's it from my side.
And once again, what's your name?
Pulkit.
Pulkit. Thank you, Pulkit, so much
Thank
for
you.
your time. और मैंने आपका कितना टाइम ले लिया? I don't know, maybe
12
10-12 minutes.
Yeah, sure.
And I'll take a picture with you so
Yeah,
that I
sure.
can use it
Yeah,
as
yeah.
a thumbnail.
Yeah.